Hello everyone, welcome to Maths classes. Let's solve questions 5, 6, 7 in exercise 5.2 chapter Arithmetic Progressions, class 10 NCERT Maths. The concept is finding nth term and number of terms in an arithmetic progression. Find the number of terms in the following arithmetic progression. The arithmetic progression they have given is 7, 13, 19 and so on 205. This is the arithmetic progression. We should find the number of terms. Number of terms means what? N. We should find N. They have given the first term of the arithmetic progression. First term they have given as what? First term we represent it by A is equal to 7. A, or you can tell A1. This is the first term A1. Second term, third term A3. This is the last term, that means nth term. If the series has n terms, last term will be the nth term. First term A or A1 is equal to 7. Then what can we find? We can find common difference. Why? It is arithmetic progression. They have given that it is an arithmetic progression. So we can find common difference. Common difference means difference between consecutive terms. So you can take A2 minus A1. A1 and A2 are consecutive terms. So common difference will be A2 minus A1. So 13 minus 7. We get what? 6. Now what else we know? We know here given. We know nth term of arithmetic progression. Nth term of arithmetic progression an is equal to 205. Now we have this data. Can we find the number of terms in the arithmetic progression? Yes. How can we find? We know the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Using this formula we can find. So let's substitute the values now. An means nth term it is 205. This is equal to first term A 7 plus n. We don't know the value of n, number of terms. D, common difference. D means what? 6. Now 205. 7 is on right side of the equation. If it comes left side, minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7 is 198 is equal to n into 6. 6 and minus into plus minus. 6 into 1, 6. So then you get, after this step, what do we get? 198 minus 6 is on right side of the equation. If it comes to left side, it will become plus 6 is equal to 6n. 198 plus 6 is what? 204 is equal to 6n. 204 by 6 is equal to n. 6 is coming to the left side. It will come to denominator now. 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24. So we got number of terms. N is nothing but number of terms. N is equal to 34. So we need to know only this formula to find the answer. Next question. Find the number of terms in the arithmetic progression. They have given the arithmetic progression. So let's write what they have given. A1 or A, this is 18, A2 second term, this is third term, 13, last term means nth term is 47. So they have given first term of arithmetic progression, that is A or A1, you can tell anything, is 18. Then they have given nth term. Nth term means last term. If there are n terms of arithmetic progression, last term will be the nth term. An is equal to minus 47. And can we find the common difference? Yes, common difference is nothing but difference between consecutive terms. So common difference D is equal to consecutive terms. Here A1 and A2 are consecutive terms. So difference is A2 minus A1. That means 15 and half minus 18. That means what do you get? Minus 2 and half. 2 and half means you can write it as minus 5 by 2. This mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So minus 5 by 2. We got the common difference. We need to find number of terms. Number of terms n is equal to question mark. How can we find? We know the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's substitute the values now. An is nth term. It is given as minus 47 is equal to a, that is first term 18 plus n minus 1. N is the number of terms. You don't know that. Common difference is what? Minus 5 by 2. This 18, if it goes to left side of the equation, it will become minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 47 minus 18. You will get what? Minus 55. Minus 65. Minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus is on both sides of the equation, so it gets cancelled. 65. This 5 by 2, if it comes to left side of the equation, it will become into 2 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. 5 ones are 5 threes are 13 twos are 26. 26 is equal to n minus 1. 26 minus 1, if it comes to left side of the equation, will become plus 1 is equal to n. That means n is equal to 27. So we got number of terms of given arithmetic progression. N is equal to 27. This is the answer. Check whether minus 150 is a term of arithmetic progression 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So we should check whether in this arithmetic progression minus 150 exists or not. Let's check that. So they have given what? Given arithmetic progression. This is arithmetic progression. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term. We know till fourth term. So given first term of arithmetic progression, we can call it as A or A1 is what? 11. It is arithmetic progression. So we can find common difference. Common difference D is what? A2 minus A1. So 8 minus 11. We get minus 3. Now we need to check if minus 150 exists in this arithmetic progression or not. Let us assume let minus 150 is nth term of arithmetic progression. Is nth term of arithmetic progression. So we will assume that there are n terms in the arithmetic progression and the nth term of the arithmetic progression is minus 150. That means an is equal to minus 150. So we will think that it exists and then we will think that an is equal to, that is nth term is minus 150. Now let's solve the problem. What formula do we know? We know that nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we know the nth term. We assumed minus 150 as the nth term. Let's substitute. Minus 150 is equal to a. A is the first term. 11 plus n is what? Number of terms. Do we know the number of terms in the arithmetic progression? We don't know. We know that the nth term is minus 150, but we don't know the number of terms. So n will be as it is. N minus 1 into d. Common difference is what? Minus 3. Now minus 150, it is plus 11 on right side of the equation. If it comes to left side, it will become minus 11 is equal to minus 3 and minus into minus is plus 3. This if we multiply, we get minus 3 and plus 3. Minus 150 minus 11, you get minus 161 is equal to minus 3n plus 3. Minus 161, this plus 3, if it comes left side, will become minus 3 is equal to minus 3n. So minus 164 is equal to minus 3n. Minus minus on both sides of the equation gets cancelled. So we get 164 is equal to 3n. Remember here, n means what? N means number of terms. In this formula, n means number of terms of the arithmetic progression. Now let's proceed. We got 164 is equal to 3n. So 164 divided by 3 is equal to n. 3 is on right side of the equation. If it comes left side, here it is multiplication. Now it will become division. 164 by 3. 164 by 3 means we get what? 164 by 3, 3 ones, 3 5s 15, 1 4 is 14. 14 means 3 4s are 12, 54.66. So you got n value as what? 54.66. Value of n is 54.66. But n is what? N is the number of terms. N is number of terms. Will the number of terms, that means count of the terms, will it be a decimal digit? No, it will not be a decimal number. It should be a natural number. But we got what? A decimal number. So this value of n does not exist. This value of n does not exist. N cannot be a decimal number. So minus 150. So minus 150 is not term of the arithmetic progression. Is not the term of arithmetic progression. Next question. Find the 31st term of an arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. They have given the 11th term and 16th term. We should find the 31st term of the arithmetic progression. Let's do it. Given 11th term of arithmetic progression, you call it as A11 is equal to 38. They have given 16th term of arithmetic progression, A16 is equal to 73. We need to find the 31st term of the arithmetic progression, A31 is equal to question mark. How can we find? Yes, one formula we have. What is that? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here, first we know what? 11th term A11 is equal to 38. So, in this formula, if we substitute, if we take n is equal to 11 now, A11 is equal to A. A we don't know the first term plus we are telling nth term is A11. So n will become 11 minus 1 into D. We don't know common difference also. Do we know A11? A11 is what? 38. So 38 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10D. We got first equation. Now what do we know? We know the 16th term. A16 is equal to 73. Now A16. Here we'll use this formula again. An means A16. Here n is equal to 16 now. A plus A we don't know. Plus n minus 1. Nth term is what? 16th term here. So n will be 16. 16 minus 1 into D. So A16 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1 is 15. 15D. This is the second equation. Now, from the first equation, what can we write? We can write 38 minus 10D. 10D is on right side of the equation. If it comes to left side, it will become minus 10D is equal to A. Substitute this value of A in equation 2. Substitute A from equation 1 in equation 2. From equation 1 we got the value of A. This you substitute in equation 2. What do you get? A16. A16 we know right already. A16 is what? 73. So let's substitute that first. 73 is equal to A16 means 73 is equal to A. A is what? 38 minus 10D. 38 minus 10D plus 15D. 73 minus 38 is equal to minus 10D plus 15D. You will get 5D. 73 minus 38. 70 minus 30 is 40. 40 minus 8 is 32. We have 3 again. So 35. So 35 is equal to 5D. 5 ones, 5 sevens. So we got common difference D as 7. Now let's substitute this value of D in first equation. What is first equation? 38 is equal to, this is first equation, A plus 10D. That means 10 into 7. So you get 38. 10 7 is 70. If it comes to left side, you will get minus 70. So A will be minus 70 plus 30. 70 minus 30 is 40. Again 8 you should subtract. So you will get 32. It is minus 70. So A will get as minus 32. Now you have the value of A. You have the value of D. Can we find 31st term? Yes. Using the same formula. This formula we can find the 31st term. How can we find? A31 we need 31st term. So A31 is equal to A plus N minus 1 means 31 minus 1 into D, common difference. We have the value of A now. Minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 is 30. Common difference D is 7. So minus 32, 7 3s are 21. So 2 10 30 into 7. Now minus 32 plus 2 10, 200 minus 30 is 170, minus 2 again 168, you have 10 here balance, so you get 178. So 31st term is 178. Just we used only one formula. If we know this formula, we can solve the problem. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.